PagerDuty Process Automation Online Training. Introduction to PagerDuty Process Automation. PagerDuty Process Automation is a feature within the PagerDuty platform designed to automate routine and complex workflows, allowing organizations to respond to incidents and events more efficiently. It helps bridge the gap between monitoring, incident response, and the resolution process by automating tasks that are typically done manually, reducing response times, improving operational efficiency, and ensuring consistent actions are taken in response to alerts. Key components of PagerDuty Process Automation. Workflows. Workflows in PagerDuty automate sequences of actions in response to triggered events. They can be designed using a drag-and-drop interface, allowing users to set up automated tasks like notifying the right teams, escalating issues, or executing remediation steps. Rules Engine. The Rules Engine is the core of process automation. It evaluates incoming alerts based on predefined conditions and triggers the appropriate workflow. The rules can be configured to filter and route incidents based on severity, priority, or other custom parameters. Integrations. PagerDuty integrates with a wide range of IT management, monitoring, and communication tools. Example, ServiceNow, Slack, Jira, AWS, etc. This allows for seamless data exchange and automation of incident management processes across different systems. Automation with runbooks. PagerDuty enables organizations to automate responses by triggering runbooks, predefined scripts or actions, based on specific incident criteria. This reduces the need for manual intervention and helps speed up resolution times. Escalation policies. Escalation policies in PagerDuty can be automated to ensure that incidents are addressed in a timely manner. These policies define how alerts are escalated based on the severity or response time of team members. Benefits of PagerDuty Process Automation. Faster response times. Automation accelerates the incident response process by reducing manual tasks and triggering responses immediately when certain conditions are met. Consistency. Automated workflows ensure that consistent actions are taken every time an incident occurs, reducing human error and ensuring standard operating procedures are followed. Operational efficiency. By automating repetitive tasks, teams can focus on higher priority issues and complex tasks, improving overall productivity. Cost reduction. Automation reduces the need for manual intervention and helps minimize downtime, leading to potential cost savings. Scalability. PagerDuty's automation features scale with the organization's growth, ensuring that even as the number of incidents increases, the resolution process remains efficient. Use cases for PagerDuty Process Automation. Incident resolution. Automatically trigger the necessary actions when an incident is created, such as notifying stakeholders or triggering a remediation process. Alert routing. Automate the routing of alerts to the appropriate team or individual based on predefined rules or the nature of the incident. On-call scheduling. Automatically adjust on-call schedules to ensure the right person is available when incidents occur. Change management. Integrate with change management processes to trigger approvals or rollback actions automatically when incidents relate to changes in the infrastructure. Key features of PagerDuty Process Automation. PagerDuty Process Automation is a solution designed to automate and streamline incident response and workflows. Key features of PagerDuty Process Automation include: Incident Response Automation automates the triage and response to incidents, helping to resolve issues more quickly and reducing manual intervention. This includes automated ticket creation, escalation, and resolution workflows. Playbooks provides customizable runbooks, playbooks that define automated steps to follow during an incident. These playbooks help teams to respond consistently and efficiently to recurring issues. Event Enrichment automatically gathers relevant data from various sources such as monitoring systems, logs, and APIs to enrich the context of incidents. This enables faster diagnosis and resolution. Integration with ITSM tools. PagerDuty integrates with IT Service Management (ITSM) systems like ServiceNow, Jira, and others to ensure seamless workflows across different platforms. Cross-team collaboration facilitates collaboration by ensuring that the right team members are notified and engaged at the right time. This reduces delays and ensures faster resolution of incidents. Automation of escalation policies. Configurable escalation policies ensure that incidents are automatically escalated to the appropriate personnel based on severity or other criteria, minimizing delays in critical situations. Customizable triggers and actions. Users can define triggers based on various event conditions and link them to automated actions such as sending alerts, updating records, or invoking external scripts. Real-time monitoring and visibility provides real-time tracking and visibility of automated workflows, helping teams to monitor progress and intervene if necessary. Security and compliance automation automates security incident responses and ensures that workflows adhere to compliance requirements, including audit trails and reporting. AI-powered insights uses AI and machine learning to analyze incident trends and patterns, providing insights that help improve future incident handling and automate repetitive tasks. Setting up PagerDuty Process Automation. Setting up PagerDuty Process Automation involves configuring the necessary integrations, services, and actions that will automate workflows and responses to incidents. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you set it up. Step 1. Create an account or login. Sign up for a PagerDuty account or log in to an existing account at PagerDuty. Step 2. Define services. In PagerDuty, services represent the components that are being monitored and managed. You can define services based on your application architecture, such as web servers, databases, or APIs. Go to the Services section in the PagerDuty dashboard. Click plus New Service to create a new service. Choose a service name and associate it with the team, escalation policy, and notification preferences. Step 3. Create an event rule for automation. PagerDuty offers event rules that help automate responses to incoming incidents. Go to Configuration, Event Rules. Click plus New Rule to create an event rule. Define conditions for the rule, such as certain event types, severity levels, or specific keywords in the event. Set actions to automate the response, like triggering incidents. Automatically create incidents based on event details. Acknowledging incidents. Acknowledge incidents when specific conditions are met. Escalating incidents. Automatically escalate incidents when they are not resolved within a specified time. Step 4. Configure integrations. PagerDuty supports a variety of integrations to automate incident management workflows. Go to the Integrations tab in PagerDuty. Browse and choose integrations with tools such as Slack, Jira, GitHub, or monitoring systems like Datadog, New Relic, or Nagios. Follow the integration setup steps to enable automated responses from these tools. For example, you can configure Slack to send notifications about incidents or use GitHub to automate ticket creation. Step 5. Set up escalation policies. Escalation policies define how incidents are handled by different team members. Go to Configuration, Escalation Policies and click plus New Escalation Policy. Define the order in which team members will be notified and escalate if incidents are not resolved. Add escalation rules. Example, send an SMS after 5 minutes or escalate to a manager if the issue isn't resolved. Integrations with PagerDuty Process Automation. PagerDuty Process Automation integrates with a variety of systems and tools to streamline incident management and automation processes. Here are key integration capabilities and tools commonly used in conjunction with PagerDuty Process Automation. Incident Management Systems. PagerDuty integrates with other incident management platforms to ensure seamless workflows and coordination. For example, Jira Service Management automatically creates incidents in PagerDuty from Jira tickets, allowing for better tracking and escalation. ServiceNow can push incidents to PagerDuty, triggering automated responses or escalations. Monitoring and observability tools. PagerDuty Process Automation can integrate with monitoring tools to automatically trigger actions based on system anomalies or alerts. Some integrations include Datadog. Integration with Datadog allows for the automatic creation of PagerDuty incidents from Datadog alerts. Splunk. PagerDuty can receive events from Splunk, automating incident creation and escalation workflows. Prometheus. PagerDuty can automatically respond to alerts from Prometheus, creating incidents and initiating appropriate responses. Cloud and IT operations. Integration with cloud platforms allows automation of infrastructure-related issues. Common integrations include AWS CloudWatch automates incident creation in PagerDuty based on AWS CloudWatch alarms. Azure Monitor enables automated responses and escalation based on Azure monitoring data. Collaboration and communication tools. PagerDuty integrates with collaboration platforms to facilitate incident management and response within teams. Slack. PagerDuty integrates with Slack to send real-time notifications and updates about incidents to specific channels. Automated workflows can also trigger responses or escalate issues in Slack. Microsoft Teams. PagerDuty provides similar integration with Microsoft Teams to facilitate incident communication and resolution. Automation tools. Integration with automation platforms allows for the orchestration of incident resolution steps. Notable tools include Chef. Automate configuration changes or remediation actions directly from PagerDuty incidents. Ansible. Trigger Ansible playbooks to resolve incidents automatically based on PagerDuty alerts. Ticketing and service management. Integration with ticketing and service management platforms helps automate incident logging, escalation, and resolution. Zendesk. Integrate PagerDuty with Zendesk to create tickets from incidents automatically and track the issue through resolution. Freshservice. Incident creation, tracking, and automated resolution based on workflows can be facilitated through this integration. Custom webhooks and APIs. PagerDuty's robust API and webhook capabilities enable custom integrations with virtually any system, allowing businesses to tailor their automation workflows and integrate with internal tools. Incident management with PagerDuty process automation. Incident management with PagerDuty process automation involves automating the response and management of incidents to ensure rapid resolution, minimize downtime, and improve operational efficiency. PagerDuty provides a platform for automating incident response workflows by integrating with various systems, tools, and communication channels. Key features of PagerDuty in incident management process automation. Automated incident detection. PagerDuty can automatically detect incidents from various monitoring tools, such as infrastructure monitoring, APM, application performance management, tools, and custom applications. This reduces the time taken to detect issues and enables faster response. Routing and escalation rules. PagerDuty allows you to define custom routing and escalation rules to ensure incidents are automatically directed to the appropriate team members based on criteria such as severity, impact, or system components affected. Escalation policies ensure that incidents are escalated if not acknowledged or resolved within a predefined time frame. Event orchestration. PagerDuty's event rules engine enables you to create custom workflows that define what actions to take when an incident occurs. For example, you can automate responses like triggering runbooks, sending notifications, or executing scripts to start corrective actions without manual intervention. Incident enrichment. PagerDuty integrates with tools like ticketing systems, chat platforms, and monitoring solutions to automatically enrich incidents with relevant data, such as logs, alerts, and contextual information, to streamline investigation and resolution. Collaboration and communication. PagerDuty integrates with collaboration platforms like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and others to automatically create channels for incident resolution. Teams can be notified immediately, and all communications regarding the incident can be logged in one place, facilitating effective collaboration. Automation of post-incident processes. PagerDuty can trigger automated processes after an incident is resolved, such as generating post-mortem reports, updating knowledge bases, or triggering incident closure workflows. These automations help in ensuring a consistent post-incident analysis process and faster closure. Integration with ITSM and DevOps tools. PagerDuty integrates with IT Service Management, ITSM, tools like ServiceNow, Jira, and other DevOps tools to create a seamless incident life cycle from detection to resolution. Automated ticket creation, assignment, and status updates help streamline the resolution process and improve accountability. Incident analytics and reporting. PagerDuty provides detailed analytics and reporting on incident response times, team performance, and incident trends. Automated reports can be generated to help teams review the incident management process, identify bottlenecks, and improve future responses. Machine learning for anomaly detection. PagerDuty leverages machine learning to detect anomalies and predict incidents before they impact service, allowing for proactive incident management. Workflow orchestration in PagerDuty process automation. Workflow orchestration in PagerDuty process automation enables the creation, management, and execution of automated workflows that can streamline incident resolution, improve efficiency, and reduce response times. It involves automating tasks, integrating systems, and triggering actions based on predefined conditions. Here's an overview of how it works. Key components. Triggers. Automated workflows can be triggered by various events, such as an alert from monitoring systems, a change in status, or even manual triggers from users. Actions. Actions define the tasks that the workflow performs. This could include sending notifications to specific teams or individuals, creating or updating incidents, running scripts or automated responses, calling APIs to interact with other systems like ServiceNow, Slack, or Jira. Conditions. You can set conditions to control the flow of the orchestration. For example, you can create workflows that take different actions depending on the severity or type of the alert. Approval flows. Some workflows may require manual approval or intervention at specific stages before proceeding, ensuring that certain actions are verified before being executed. Benefits. Automated incident response. With PagerDuty's automation capabilities, incidents can be handled quickly without manual intervention. For example, a triggered alert can automatically create a ticket, assign it to the appropriate team, and escalate if necessary. Cross-tool integration. PagerDuty integrates with numerous third-party tools, so you can orchestrate workflows that span across multiple platforms, such as communication tools, example Slack, ITSM platforms, example ServiceNow, or ticketing systems, example Jira. Reduced human error. By automating repetitive and time-sensitive tasks, human error is minimized, and the team can focus on resolving the most critical issues. Improve efficiency. Automated workflows help teams act faster and more effectively by reducing the time spent on manual tasks, leading to faster incident resolution. Use cases. Incident routing. Automatically route incidents to the correct team based on predefined criteria, such as incident severity or affected system. Escalation management. Automatically escalate incidents if they are not acknowledged or resolved within a set time frame, ensuring that high-priority issues get the attention they need. Post-incident reviews. After an incident is resolved, workflows can be triggered to generate reports or conduct post-mortem reviews. Best practices. Define clear workflow objectives. Clearly define the goals of your workflows, whether it's reducing resolution time, improving communication, or ensuring compliance. Integrate with other systems. Ensure PagerDuty is well integrated with the tools your team uses for monitoring, communication, and ticketing to streamline workflows. Monitor workflow performance. Track and optimize your workflows by monitoring their performance and making adjustments based on feedback and outcomes. Monitoring and metrics in PagerDuty process automation. PagerDuty's process automation integrates monitoring and metrics to help streamline incident response, ensuring timely actions in the event of service disruptions. Here's how monitoring and metrics are typically implemented in PagerDuty. Event-driven monitoring. Alerts and notifications. PagerDuty continuously monitors various services for abnormal conditions. This is achieved through event sources such as monitoring tools, example Datadog, AWS CloudWatch, New Relic, that send alerts into PagerDuty. Once these alerts meet pre-configured criteria, PagerDuty triggers automated workflows. Real-time metrics. PagerDuty integrates real-time metrics such as CPU utilization, response times, and error rates, sending these as actionable insights for operational teams. Metrics and incident detection. Thresholds and anomaly detection. Metrics such as load, traffic, or error rates can be configured with thresholds. PagerDuty's machine learning capabilities can detect anomalies in these metrics, triggering automatic actions or escalating alerts based on predefined rules. Service health dashboards. PagerDuty provides real-time visibility into the health of your systems, displaying key metrics and incidents in a consolidated dashboard. This ensures you can track the performance of your infrastructure. Automated incident response. Triggering an automation. Once an incident is detected based on monitored metrics, PagerDuty's process automation can execute pre-configured workflows. This may involve automatically creating tickets, invoking runbooks, or executing scripts for remediation. Integration with incident management. PagerDuty automates not just alerts but also subsequent steps in incident resolution, such as escalating to the right teams, initiating collaboration, and notifying stakeholders. Post-incident metrics and reporting. Root cause analysis. After an incident is resolved, PagerDuty provides detailed reports on the incident's life cycle, including how quickly the issue was detected, the efficiency of the response, and which metrics were involved. Performance metrics. You can track the performance of your incident response, such as resolution times, service uptime, and other key performance indicators, KPIs. Metrics-driven automation. Scaling and adjustments. PagerDuty allows for automated scaling or adjustments based on the metrics collected. For example, if an app experiences a sudden spike in traffic, PagerDuty can automatically trigger a scaling operation to handle the load based on real-time metrics. Continuous improvement. Over time, PagerDuty's metrics can help refine and adjust the automation rules and workflows to improve operational efficiency and incident resolution. Why choose ProExcellency for PagerDuty process automation online training? Choosing ProExcellency for PagerDuty process automation online training offers several benefits. Expert trainers. ProExcellency provides access to trainers with deep industry experience and extensive knowledge of PagerDuty and process automation, ensuring high-quality learning. Comprehensive curriculum. The training covers a wide range of topics, from the basics to advanced features of PagerDuty, including incident response, alerting, and automation. You'll gain practical skills and knowledge applicable in real-world scenarios. Hands-on learning. The training includes practical exercises, demos, and case studies, helping you gain hands-on experience with PagerDuty's features and automation tools. This helps solidify the theoretical concepts. Flexible learning. As an online provider, ProExcellency offers flexibility in terms of learning pace and schedule. You can attend sessions that best fit your availability, making it easier to balance with other commitments. Industry-relevant skills. With a focus on automation and process management, the training helps you develop skills that are highly valued in the tech and operations industries. These can boost your career prospects. Certification. Upon completion, you may receive a certification that validates your expertise in PagerDuty process automation, enhancing your professional credibility. Continued support. ProExcellency provides post-training support and resources, ensuring you can apply what you've learned and resolve any challenges as you implement PagerDuty automation. Customization options. Depending on your needs, ProExcellency may offer customized training modules or group sessions tailored to specific organizational requirements. Thank you.